Bom dia, beautiful ones. Trust you are well. Yeah, sometimes these little light bulbs go off, or kind of things come together. And these 5 C's of what makes someone attractive, or what you might find attractive in someone, just energetically. When you see someone, you can almost automatically, at least for me, it works like that. Like, I could almost automatically see if I find them attractive or not, or there might be some glaring thing that makes them not attractive to me, like, immediately. And so if this is true for you too, I just felt to share what came through for me when I considered what is it that I find attractive about someone, and maybe what is it that someone would find attractive about me. And these, words came through, which were cool. The first thing you find is when you find an attractive person, they're cool, they got their shit together, and you can see that they have their way about them, their style, their energy, the way they move. Maybe you hear them speak, hear their voice. And usually they're also very calm, yeah? It's not attractive to see somebody freaking out and always angry or always anxious. It's just a reflection of what's going on inside. So we tend to be a little bit more cautious when we see that in someone, especially right off the bat, right? And then so it was cool, calm, collected. And when I think about collected, it's that you have the pieces of yourself, all the different parts of yourself sort of gathered together. You have your life's purpose, work perhaps. Maybe you have a partner or a family, or maybe it's that you're really enjoying life, but that there's, it's different for everyone. Not everybody has to have a family and all that, but that you feel whole, collected. And then, of course, confident, right? Everybody loves confidence. And it's not too much I need to say about that, but when you come, again, it's like somebody that's cool. They're also confident. But you can see some people that put on a show to be cool, like that they are not really actually just in their body and doing their thing. That they might be like kind of forcing it or something, or subscribing to something that maybe isn't true for them. Because what I see in someone, again, who I find attractive, is that they're unique, that they are a snowflake, which we all are. And so I don't so much find attractive beings that are sort of putting on a show. They're trying to fit in, or dress with the fashion, or cut their hair with the fashion, or whatever it is. Like you can kind of feel when somebody's not being authentic in themselves and they're kind of putting on a show. And that's not so attractive, I don't think. So, yeah, and the last one was clear. So, when someone is clear, for me, I find that very attractive, because like they know where they're going, they know what they're doing, they know why they're here. It's like, again, that purpose work thing. And so, that's kind of what I felt to share with you. I'm sure there are more C's or less C's. I think the word chill, if someone's chill. But, for now we got these, and I'll repeat them one more time. Cool, calm, collected, confident, and clear. These are just, they're words. And what I help my clients do in my coaching is to embody those words and the energy of them. And it's a journey. And you have to really learn to become honest with yourself and stop shortchanging yourself at the end of the day in all areas of life. And from that, these qualities exude. Aho. Mwah. A beautiful now.